trying to get back in. I'm gonna play hide and go seek with my friend.
Coming all the way back out now? He's going back in? Did you see him get a hold of the shell? Of the hermit crab?
No, he
No?
didn't. Like he was like down there, but then he didn't.
I saw, okay, because I saw him go in like
Yeah,
really
and then
quick.
he came back out.
Wow.
Elizabeth. Shelly. Look, he's going in the bottle. He's in the bottle.
Look at his feet.
Like, oh, it's cool. He's inside the bottle. Oh, wow.